You want to see what a difference buying proper gear for podcasting makes? Saddle up, because I'm about to show you why you need the Rode PSA 1 Plus boom arm.
Playing the Misfit Heroes podcast.
Misfits, for the longest time in my studio, I was using these scissor-style boom arms. They were great because they were cheap and they served their purpose, but they had a hard time holding my heavier mics when I upgraded them. And I can't have that. So, you're banished now. Go away. Don't do it so sadly. You knew this day was coming. I decided to upgrade my setup to see if that makes a difference. And looking on Amazon, I discovered the Rode PSA 1 Plus. Like a junkie with a habit, I threw down that credit card and had bonanza.
Shut up and take my money!
Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The Rode PSA 1 Plus comes in a sleek, compact box. Inside, you've got the boom arm itself, a rubberized desk clamp, this awesome desk insert mount that's both stylish and functional, some sweet cable wraps, and of course, the instruction manual. Everything is well packed and feels premium right out of the box. Nice touch, Rode. Much success. Very elegant. The jacketed cover over the boom arm hardware is a nice touch too. My first impression is that this thing is very solid, and it should have no problem holding up any of the mics that I throw at it.
With no problem!
The PSA 1 Plus is made of high-quality materials, and it's got a smooth matte black finish. It looks pro and feels very sturdy and fluid without any jerkiness when I move it around. The hinges and joints are tight but smooth, making adjustments easy without any wobbling. Plus, it's got an integrated cable management system and this big space where the mic screws on for a cable to fit through, which keeps your setup looking clean and not distracting on camera. For reference, here's my old setup. What's that thing there? Oh, nothing. Just a random cable hanging around. Setting this bad boy up is a breeze. You've got two mounting options, the desk clamp or the desk insert mount. The desk clamp is simple. You just twist it on and you're good to go. Look how heavy duty it is, and its felt covered design means you won't leave any scratches or marks on whatever desk that you're clamping it to. The desk insert mount requires a bit more work, but it's worth it if you want a more permanent solution. The metal fill and cover are both rock solid sturdy, but they also look nice, and they're designed to go in those little holes for cable management if your desk has those. It leaves an elegant, clean look that looks great on video, and even features a custom rubber grommet to keep your cables in place. Very nicely done. Now, let's talk about performance. The PSA 1 Plus has a wide range of motion. It's got a horizontal reach of 32.3 inches and a vertical reach of 34 inches, which means you can position your mic just how you like it. You can even fully extend it for use as a low-profile arm to keep it out of view. The PSA 1 Plus can handle mics weighing up to 2.4 pounds, so whether you're rocking a lightweight condenser or a heavier dynamic mic, the PSA 1 Plus has got you covered. One thing that stands out to me is how quiet this arm is. Adjustments are smooth and silent, which is perfect for live recordings or streams. It's a big difference over the springs on the old boom arm. You'd be surprised how much noise those springs will make when they extend and retract. Stability-wise, it's built tough. There's no sagging or drifting, your mic stays exactly where you place it, almost locked in place. But it also allows for quick transitions and easy fluid and silent movement when you need to readjust. Alright, let's talk price. The Rode PSA 1 Plus, it isn't the cheapest option out there, but at around $129, it's a solid investment for serious podcasters. The build quality, ease of use, and performance make it worth every penny. I'm amazed at the difference in quality, and in all reality, $129 isn't that much more than the $40 I spent on the scissor-style boom arms from earlier in my podcasting career. Grand scheme, if you want a serious podcast setup, the Rode PSA 1 Plus is a steal at $129, and dare I say it, my new standard for boom arms in my studio. Also, I did not get compensated in any way for reviewing this, but Rode, if you feel like throwing 2 or 3 more of these in your brother's cart, I'd love to be your huckleberry. So, should you get the Rode PSA 1 Plus? If you're looking for a reliable, sturdy, and professional-grade boom arm, then absolutely. It's a game changer for your podcast setup. Sure, there are other comparable boom arms out there, and I got them and tried them, and I'm not going to throw any shade in their direction. At least not in this video. But the Rode PSA 1 Plus is an amazingly well-crafted product and the perfect addition to your podcasting setup. I'd recommend it as part of a complete podcast breakfast. And If you want one for yourself, there's a link in the description and show notes down below for you to buy one. Click away, Captain. That's it for today, Misfits. If you like this review and it helped you in any way whatsoever, why don't you perform an act of violent crime on the like and subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future gear reviews. Also, be sure to leave a rating or review of the show on Apple Podcasts or Spotify or wherever else you listen to podcasts. And if you do nothing else in this bountiful world of podcasting today, I hope that you let it be this. Be kind, love one another, and be a hero.